Enrique's Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you a very simple recipe on how to make chocolate pudding. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do. Also put or click the notification button so that you get updated every time I post a new content. Thank you for always taking your time to watch my videos. The ingredients that I'm going to use are 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1.5 tablespoons of cocoa, a half tablespoon of coffee, half a cup of sugar. I'm going to mix corn flour, sugar and cocoa in my cooking pot. And mix nicely. After that, I'm going to add milk. And continue mixing. At this stage, I'm going to put it on fire as I continue mixing or stirring. As you can see, it has started to thicken. I'm going to add coffee. And also at this stage, I've reduced the heat. Container, the one that I'm going to transfer the mixture in, I have greased with oil, cooking oil. So let me transfer the mixture. Here is our chocolate pudding. I've already transferred it to the container. So I'll let it cool and then I'll put it in the fridge for 2 hours. Then it will be ready. 2 hours later, here is our chocolate pudding. I'm going to transfer it here. can see how it looks. Very nice. I'm going to pour some chocolate powder on it. You can see how lovely it looks. Then I'll cut it into pieces. You can see how it looks. And it's very moist and very soft. So you should try out this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Remember to hit the subscribe button, comment, share. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.